Oh, brother. What a pair of schmucks. Oh, my God. They're either lesbianas or they're crazy. Oh, that's lovely. Delicious. Woo! Doesn't bother me any. I just think they're a couple of stupid drips. Oh my God. Aren't they something else? Doesn't bother me any.